I put my pressure washer for sale on Craigslist, and the phone rang. I picked it up, and this voice said, "You still got that pressure washer?" And I said, "Well, yeah, I just took my finger off the button." 10 minutes later, she's at my door, knocks on the door, opens the door. She says, "You still got that pressure washer?" And I said, "Well, didn't I just talk to you?" So I cranked it up for her, and she just started, she went to town on my front porch. She started doing the bricks, went down the steps and started doing my driveway, and I was like, "No, it's not paved." She looked up, man, she's covered in mud and everything.